Zara haul, I have something for you. So this was sent to me by NOBINECK. NOBINECK, thank you so much for sending me such a beautiful package. Why don't we open this box together and see what is inside? This has been literally sent to me. Oh my God. Let's open this. I'm literally excited because I can't wait. I can't. Oh, the packaging. Gorgeous. Oh, wowzy. Thank you, NOBINECK, for sending me this beautiful device. I can't wait to see how it works. I've been on my phone literally for the past 3 days. Just when my neck was literally killing me every night, this comes in. This is a portable and completely wireless neck massage. It has a charging system here as well that you can use to plug into your computer or anywhere. Obviously, fully charge it before use. This provides like 2-in-1 action all-in-one device. This is the power button. Of course, you have to long press to turn it on. And the second button is like the mode button. It's for normal and intermediate mode. This is the speed button and it only has 2 levels of speed, slow and fast. The green light on top here is the indicator that the device is on. And this button right here is the heating button. The massage therapy like tackles the muscle tension and helps the muscles to relax. Whereas the heat massage right here, and this is where like the heat comes from. It's not like very, very hot. It's just like moderate enough heat just to boost the blood flow and help the muscles completely relax. These 2 right here target the neck area, and these lower ones align right here at the back of your shoulders. This is hands down one of the best gifts someone has ever given to me. You no longer need to beg your partner to massage you. Literally, no. Before this, I just used to lie down on tennis balls and just have those tennis balls rub those painful knots that I had around my neck and my shoulder blades. And most of us are with our phones holding them up like this, and then you get that pain around the shoulder blades or that muscle around the neck. I don't know what that muscle is, but I feel like I just have to lie on my bed, put this neck massage on, and just relax. Just pretend like I'm in a massage pillow and somebody's massaging me, because this is just equivalent to someone professionally massaging you. For you to easily buy this, I have put the link in the description box below so you don't have to search for it. Use this code FLORA35 at checkout and receive 35% off your purchase. Oh my God. Are you seeing the action that I'm receiving here? I can't share right now in the moment how I'm feeling, but this feels like Christmas in July. And these 2 straps here, just use it to buckle yourself at the back. The strap is adjustable, by the way, and that's how the back looks like. It's safe and secure. This is wireless. I don't need to do anything. I don't need to be bothered. I mean, I'll be cooking or watching TV while getting a massage. Well, that's an exclusive VIP treatment that we don't get from the massage parlor. Just reviewing the video, and while doing this just for these few minutes, my muscles have relaxed. Tell me if this is not something that you would enjoy on your neck. Follow the link in my description box below and grab yourself one, and you'll never have to go through the pain again. It's Zara haul. I brought you some goodies today. You think you love to look good, baby? I love me something stunning. If it's not stunning, I don't want it. By stunning, I don't mean all the blings and the bedazzles and the boom, boom, blah, blah, blah. Something simple, stunning. Are you checking this blazer out? Should we call this color dirty yellow mustard? It's a spring color, summer, something summer. And on the inside, I paired it with something, but you can do your thing. You can choose white, black, any color on the inside, but this is something like burgundy, and it's very short actually, very croppy. And Zara, be clever, the sleeves on this blazer top are actually crop-ish. They're not long. They were literally tailored to be this short, and I'm loving this. It's not a double-breasted blazer. The buttons are just like straight up in the middle, and the pants are high-waisted pants. I bought this in a size medium, and unfortunately today, surprise, surprise, these pants are big on me. I just don't know why I've programmed myself to think I'm just a size medium for everything. So when I go to the store, I just pick a medium, or when I'm buying something online, I just rush for a medium. I'm that kind of person who is between a small and a medium, if you relate to that kind of sizing. And I got the blazer in a size XS. Really? And it fits? What? Are you joking me, Zara? What is my size for real, for real? I don't know if I'm tripping, but Zara, Stop playing me. As you can see, I'm already 2 sizes down on the blazer. I guess the sizing of this set runs big. That's what I can just say. If you're a little bit hippie on the bottom, probably you should stay to your size. And I thought I'll just pair this set with these simple kitten heels from Zara again. They're just very simple, cutie, nice kitten heels. This is a medium, and look at all this space right here. I should have just gone for a small. This one right here comes with a lot of this and that. First off, it's a draped linen dress, and I love the silhouette. I don't know if I'm tripping, but the right side here looks a little bit weirdish. I didn't like the proportion of the dress. I don't know why I didn't feel the side wasn't flattering enough like the front side, because the front side is... This is when I love the wind to blow as hard as it can. Because when you give me a high slit like this one, I want the wind to blow. You can use a safety pin to stitch it together so it doesn't flip-flop left, right, and center. So it just keeps it in place. Normally, I love a good backside, but this one, I got this in a size small. I love that it has like, I don't know, a kind of like a halter neck, and the situation with the sleeves here that are kind of like, you know, twisted around. The same applies to this other side as well. And I do realize that one side is higher than the other. I don't know if this is what I'm supposed to be doing with this dress, which actually looks awkward. I don't know. I love linen, the feel of it on my skin. But I just don't know if linen is something that can look elegant. To me, it makes it a bit casual, if you know what I mean. I'm not a professional stylist out there, but tell me if linen is something meant to be casual. Help me out, because I don't get it. Like I already said, I want to look stunning. Someone must see me and they just, can I call you Rose? This is Call Me Rose, in a beautiful, stunning dress. I got this in a size small because the medium was a little bit big. Normally I'm a size medium. I'm a tall woman, tall torso, long hands, long legs. Everything about me is... But this week I feel like I'm running small. I mean, who wouldn't want to feel slimmed out? I do. I don't know how I managed to convince myself to get this jumpsuit, because this jumpsuit literally shows all your bubbles and imperfections and everything. It's literally telling everyone what you have, what you don't have, what you should have. It's so noisy. It's very stretchy, but still I got it in a size medium. And it fits a little bit. As you can see, it's very, of course, loose on me. The small did fit perfectly well, but it was a bit short on me. It's the same design like the halter dress that I reviewed, I think in my previous video, something creamish. This is like the jumpsuit version, and it's in black. When you see this go around my neck, just know that the back is backless. This is, oh my God, that's a lot of back going on. I know. I preach a lot about a good backside. Girl. I love myself a backside view. This jumpsuit is for the girls who are very confident with their bodies. I am not in that group. This is something I got from Mango, and they collaborated with Victoria Beckham. I don't know why these celebrities didn't think about this idea years back. All of a sudden, they're busy collaborating with the likes of Zara, Mango, Primark, and all the rest. You'll never know. Maybe Chanel will look up and then be like, I'm gonna do something with Zara. So this is a wide, long dress. If you know me, I'm a tall woman, but look at how long this dress is on me. Let's sweep the floor. I don't care, I will go wash it. But when I go on holiday, I'm giving this a bright orange. In the morning, like when I wake up and go for breakfast, I'm walking into the restaurant like this. And after breakfast, I go to the swimming pool and relax for the whole day. This is the whole idea of this dress. This is the dress up close. It's knitwear, but it's not like thread. It's like that very strong thread, like nylon thread, not like the cotton thread. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. This is for me. It's not going back. Ta-da. This dress is just telling me, pack your bags and let's go on holiday. This describes exactly how I want to dress in summer. This is a very good example of this By the way, this is elastic here. The material of this dress, the quality, the design, I feel like everything about this dress is, this is me visiting my nieces, my nephews. It's giving rich auntie vibes. Personally, when I saw this dress in the store, I was like, this is so ideal for summer. It's so easy to just dress like this on a Sunday. Let's go shopping, honey. Let's go buy some groceries. Would I like to be introduced like this to his friends? I mean, yeah, this is a grown, beautiful woman. Hello. Oh, that's your wife? Yeah, that's my wife. Is that what you're settling for? Yeah. It's such a simple dress, that's all I can say. Unless you're that kind of beach girl that loves to be bedazzled. I don't. When I'm on holiday, I want to be free. I want to be simple. I want to look good. Let's be practical here. I'm going to be 100 with you. It's nice to relax at home with clothes like this, honey. When I'm lounging at home on a Sunday, watching TV, have breakfast, I would love to be in clothes like this. By the way, you have to keep it sexy, baby girls. Keep it going sexy. Look good when you're lounging at home. I'm not saying I do that like every other day. Practically, of course, there are moments that I just want to be just a silly me. Just a goofy, silly me. This is a matching set. It's a t-shirt and like bottoms. I love the bottoms because down there's a zipper. The t-shirt is a small and the bottoms are medium. If I'd gone for the small, then the length of the pants would not be long on me. I wanted length, that's why I decided to go for a medium, and it's just okay. If the length is not like really long, nah, not me. Honey, let's go for a walk. I'm jumping in this with my sneakers on, I'm out. Something else that I would love to take on holiday would be this kind of dress. So this is this dress up close. I love those square details right there. I've never seen Zara make this kind of collar. It's not the classic everyday collar. It's like, I don't know what I should call that. I got this dress in a size medium. I bought it directly online. I do love the simplicity of this dress. I would call it like a short dress. Nothing really special about it. It comes with its own belt. I wish the belt was a little bit longer. And when a dress like this doesn't have pockets, I'm out. But it's a good quality dress. Thank you so much again for watching this video till the end. I hope you loved it. All the items will be linked in the description box below. I love you so much, but YouTube thinks this video will be interesting for you.